Good morning, Stephanie Camerman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's whispers, we got to talk about yesterday. If you had a chance to listen to yesterday's whisper, we were loving GE after we spotted those amazing prints at $29.90. And guess what we spotted yesterday? Another 6.5 million prints at $29.98. You can see it closed way ahead. I think that was Warren Buffett buying this. Who cares? We love it. My first target got hit yesterday, 30.25. My second target is 30.50. Last target, 31 on this swing. As long as it stays above the prints, I'm going to be staying into this trade. Also, we were watching General Motors. 37.25 was the key level, and she could not hold above that yesterday, therefore not bullish on that. And AMD, key level, we spotted a print at 13.49, and look where it came to yesterday, right up to 13.49, brick wall, and fell down. Great short off the prints yesterday. And UNG, which is finally making a move this morning. Yeah, natural gas, really loving it. Let me just show you the futures. Yeah, we had a pretty big spike of volume that came in earlier. I drew a line right here. If we can break above 297, right, then there's a lot of room to go to the up. So we could hit this 3. We may have a little bit of resistance right here on the Camarilla. But if we can break above that, there's a lot of room to go on the upside. So loving it. We're above those prints on UNG at 7.33. So still love this. And, you guys, we were rocking it yesterday. But one trader in particular in the Java Pit was just killing it. Cameron, we call him the Magnificent. And he really was magnificent yesterday. Fantastic calls. Apple, Nike, DIA, and he was short the VXX, took amazing profit. And what I love about Cameron is he calls out his trades, and a lot of the traders in the room also did fantastic. Susan, I got to give a big shout out to Susan. Had a fantastic trade going long the XIV, and she just had a great trade going short gold this morning. So really great trading, guys. I think the hardest part of my job is picking the trader of the day. So keep it up. All right, so what are we watching today? Well, I spotted a massive print, 1.8 million shares yesterday on UPS at 108.60. So I'm going to be bullish above 108.60. My first target is 110 and then 112. There's a gap here. And what they like to do is they like to take it up to that strong level before the gap and then push it down again. So I always like to trade to the gap. So 110, 112, as long as it stays above 108.60, I am loving it. Also, keep your eye on Alcoa. We have a high volume upthrust on this chart here. This is more of a swing trade. And then we have a higher volume doji candle. And if we close below 38.18, this will be a great short. Okay, that's the key level, 38.18. I also like to look at the equity clock charts, the seasonality charts for Alcoa, and it's showing a topping out right about where we are right now, and then a pull down all the way into March. So I like to combine volume and seasonality patterns. So keep your eye. It's always about the levels. But yeah, going to be bearish if she closes below that. We also had a pretty big print on Nokia this morning. This was a whisper back here. If you recall, my first target was 5, which got hit. Well, we have a pretty big print this morning at 495. So bullish above 495, but this is slow. It's not a day trade stock. But if she can close above 5, I'm going to show you this chart. It would be a major breakout. Okay, so watch that level as long as she closes above 495, but even better, 5. Then we could have a nice push up to about 520, 540 on the upside. So watch those key levels. Come watch me trade these stocks and so many more all day long at the JavaPit Trading Room at www.thestockwhisperer.com. Happy trading, everybody.